Hello boys and girls, welcome back. Before we look at another sound, let's go over the ones we've already done. What's this one? S. E. Ah. Very good. Okay, let's do another one. Look at this one. Look at the sound. Look at the accent and the sound. Look at the puppy is ripping the rag, Robert's rag. Let's sing together. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. Very good. Can you see anything here that starts with the There's lots of things. Look. Oh, somebody said it. Rabbit. Rain. Racket. Rhino. Roller skates. Wow. Rocking horse. Rope. Lots of words start with the How do we write it? Fingers, magic fingers. Down, up and over. Down, up and over. It's a very easy one, remember? Everybody wrote it in the class today very well. Down, up and over. Fantastic. Okay. Let's read a word with the in it. How many sounds are here? How many? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Can we read 3 sounds? Yes. How do we read 3 sounds? On our arm. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's start. Look. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Ah, t, ah, t, ah, t, ah, t, rat, 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 a rat. Ooh, I don't like rats. A rat. Let's have a look at one more. How many sounds are here? 1, 2, 3. On our arms again. Let's go. Eep, 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 rip, rip, rip. The puppy ripped the blanket. Nice reading. Well done. Look, the puppy ripped the blanket. He ripped it. Let's all sing one more time before we go. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. Well done. See, can you think of some more words that start with the I can think of a colour. I'm thinking of a colour that starts with the What is it? Red. Well done. Bye-bye. See you next time. Good job.